Hi, my name is Blair, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to set up live chat on your website. The agenda for this tutorial then is we'll do a demo of live chat on my website. We use the Chaport product. We'll then take a look at how Chaport was set up. We'll look at how Umbraco was configured to make use of that. And finally, we'll take a look at some relevant code snippets. Okay, here's my Umbraco website on Azure, and you can see in the bottom right hand corner here we've installed Chaport web chat. So we click on that, we can see that I'm online, and I can start to type a message. So So that's the message just sent, and if we go to the Chaport product, we can see that we got the message, and we can send a reply. So we just sent that, and if we look back on the website, we get a reply. It's as simple as that. On Chaport, you can set your status to offline when you're not available, and the user can actually send a message to an email address that you configure, and they can give their email address so you can send a direct reply. Fantastic product. Okay, to set up a Chaport account, just head over to chaport.com and click the try for free button. This will guide you through setting up an account and take you to its dashboard. From the dashboard and the general settings, you can set up your email account where you will get replies when you're offline. You can also indicate whether you're online or offline to take support or not. Then you can see the installation code that you just need to paste into your web page template, which is what I do on the Umbraco master page. So after that, then in the Chaport dashboard, you get visibility of all your chats, and whenever someone visits your website and leaves a message, it'll appear in this dashboard, and you can send a reply from here, and it will appear in the visitor's chat on the website, so in here. And that's essentially the setup of Chaport. Okay, here's how I set up Umbraco to show the Chaport chat or not. On my site configuration, I have a global settings section, so I've added a show chat option, which when enabled will show the chat on the page, on every page on the site. If I switch it off, it won't appear. I allow these global settings to be overridden on an individual page basis. So if you have a microsite, for instance, you can turn the chat off on all the pages of that microsite. Now this show chat is interpreted in the master page of my website, so all my pages have a master CSHTML layout, and I pick up the show chat property from the global settings and then check if there's a local page setting that overrides it. If there is a local setting, then we'll replace that with the global setting. Then the Chaport code needs to be placed just before the close of the body tag. So we check if show chat is enabled, then we paste in the script that we got from the Chaport website, and that enables chat on your website.